Have you ever wondered what it's like to be one of the ocean's greatest hunter? Meet the sperm whale, the largest toothed predator on Earth. These incredible giants can grow up to 60 feet long and weigh as much as 45 tons. But what makes them truly extraordinary is their ability to dive deeper than almost any other mammal. A sperm whale can plunge more than 7,000 feet below the surface. That's deeper than many submarines can safely travel. Down in the dark, freezing depths, they hunt their favorite prey, the giant squid. To survive these extreme dives, sperm whales can hold their breath for up to 90 minutes. They also use powerful echolocation, producing clicks so loud they're among the strongest sounds created by any animal. Their massive square-shaped heads contain a special organ called the spermaceta organ, which helps them focus sound and navigate the deep ocean. Despite their enormous size and fearsome hunting skills, sperm whales are highly social animals, living in close family groups and communicating through complex patterns of clicks, known as codas.